Tipalti is in the business of finance automation. It's an AI-driven platform that can generate reports in seconds, among other things. Today, they announced they secured $200 million in growth funding. Joining me now is Tipalti CEO and co-founder, Hen Amit. Hen, welcome to NYSE Live.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
So, Hen, what does Tipalti do, and who are your customers?
So Tipalti is an AI-powered platform for finance automation, elevating how finance teams operate in the global economy. It's a suite of finance automation solutions designed for mid-market businesses across accounts payable, global payments, procurement, employee expenses, corporate cards, supplier management, tax compliance, treasury, a very broad set of challenges, which is what the mid-market finance leader needs. They need us to solve a very broad set of challenges for them, and that's what we do. We remove the complexities of doing global business and accelerate customer finance operations efficiency, empowering them to scale faster and smarter.
And as I mentioned, you just announced that you secured $200 million in growth funding. How do you plan to use that capital?
So this will fuel our next phase of growth in AI innovation and further growth of our business. We're investing in breadth, depth, and simplicity. These are the three legs of our product strategy. And we continue to invest in order to make our customers more efficient, leverage AI, be smart about that, and become strategic partners to their companies.
And Hen, I understand that Tipalti is leveraging agentic AI. What are the capabilities of your agents, and are you able to provide some use cases for them?
Sure. So we are providing, it's our role to enable AI for our finance leaders and make their lives both simpler, more efficient, and more accurate. And some examples are both in terms of how we serve our sophisticated user, the finance leader who uses Tipalti frequently, and the novice user who uses us more randomly. So we will be able to allow a novice user to say, oh, I need to acquire 5 laptops for my team in the UK next month, and the AI agent will understand who to procure from, what is the ledger that this acquisition is from, who are the approvers, and go and create the PO, run it through the system, obviously allow the user to accept and confirm everything, but automate that for them. On the other end, it can allow the more sophisticated user to ask sophisticated questions that may take more time to handle without Tipalti, like how much did we spend on marketing in the UK in the last 5 quarters, and it'll provide the immediate answer, it'll chart it wherever the user may want. And then for tax automation, we are automating tax form capture. It'll validate it, it'll confirm that the forms are in line, and so on and so forth, enabling our customers to be more efficient that way.
And Hen, you also offer an enhanced Tipalti AI assistant, and you say the agent is conversational. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, so it's about the user interface with the system. It's about answering both complex and simple questions. It's about answering generic finance questions, Tipalti-specific questions, and customer-specific questions. So a good example is you may ask it, I need a dashboard to help with a month close process, and the system will propose the dashboard and will create the dashboard for you. Obviously, you can interact and ask it to adjust and change it. So this is some example. You can ask it, how do I amortize something in Tipalti? It will provide you guidance and walk you through the process. Or how many invoices are waiting for approval, and provide you the answer. So the conversational AI just makes asking questions, getting quick answers, and helping the finance leader and the novice user both use Tipalti in a much simpler way.
And Hen, we have about 30 seconds left. How do you, what do you see for Tipalti moving forward? What's next?
So we are committed to the mid-market, to these finance leaders who are Both have growing complexity in their business, but they need us to do more and more for them. AI is the cornerstone of where we invest now. We'll provide more and more capabilities. We have some exciting developments coming up in the first half of next year, which we'll be proud to launch and announce. And then we'll continue to invest in breadth, depth, and simplicity, the three legs of how we serve our customers. So we're excited. The mid-market is huge, very underserved. We are there to serve them, and it's a long journey that we're still in the very early innings of.
Thank you so much, Hen Amit, CEO and co-founder of Tipalti. Thank you for joining us. That's going to do it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.